In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Canva. This useful skill will allow you to easily craft beautiful personalized designs for various projects, whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or any other type of visual content. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up Canva in your web browser. If you haven't already created an account, now is the time to do so, as it will allow you to save your designs and access a wide variety of features. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home page with a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Simply type "template" into the search bar. This will bring up an array of pre-designed templates created by professionals, saving you time and giving your work a polished look. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the extensive gallery of templates. Canva offers templates for almost every imaginable need: flyers, invitations, business cards, and much more. Take your time to explore these options, and when you find a design that captures your attention and meets your project's requirements, click on it. This action will open the selected template in a new window, displaying a larger view along with additional details about the template. Once you've opened your chosen template, look for the option that says "Customize this template." This is where your creativity really gets to shine. Hit the button, and Canva will open the design editor, allowing you to make modifications that suit your style and purpose. Now that you're in the design editor, you have the power to alter virtually every aspect of the template. Change the text to match your message, adjust the fonts to convey the right tone, or modify the colors to align with your brand identity. You're not limited to these changes. You can also add new elements like graphics, photos, or illustrations from Canva's extensive library, giving your design a unique touch. Once you're happy with the edits, consider previewing your work to ensure everything looks just right. Canva offers a handy preview feature that lets you see what your finished design will look like in real-world settings. If you spot any tweaks you'd like to make, simply head back into the editor and adjust accordingly. Don't forget to save your work frequently. Canva will typically save your progress automatically, but it's always good to double-check and save manually to avoid losing any changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom template in Canva, ready to be used and shared. Whether you're crafting something for personal use or professional purposes, with this skill, you can efficiently produce high-quality designs with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.